Strength training at home demands equipment that saves space, adapts to progress, and delivers consistent performance without constant gym visits. Best adjustable dumbbells on Amazon provide versatile weight ranges, quick change systems, durable construction, and cost-efficient solutions for beginners and lifters. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. FITPLAM 90 Lbs Dumbbell. The FITPLAM 90 Lbs Dumbbell set is an excellent all-in-one strength training solution designed for users who want versatility, safety, and space efficiency in their home gym. What truly sets this set apart is its innovative 5-in-1 multifunctional design, allowing it to convert seamlessly into dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, and even push-up stands. This flexibility makes it ideal for full-body workouts, including bench presses, squats, curls, and core exercises, without needing multiple pieces of equipment. The upgraded double nut locking system significantly enhances safety, ensuring the weights remain secure during intense workouts, which is especially reassuring for beginners and advanced users alike. Another highlight is the intelligently designed weight plates, featuring both kg and lb markings, eliminating the hassle of manual conversions. Made from high-quality PE material, the plates are shock-absorbing, floor-friendly, rust-free, and odorless, making them suitable for indoor use. The adjustable weight range allows users to progress gradually, supporting fitness growth at different stages. Number 2. POWERBLOCK 50 Lbs Dumbbell. The POWERBLOCK 50 Lbs Dumbbell set is widely recognized as a premium adjustable dumbbell system built for serious strength training enthusiasts. Designed to replace up to 16 pairs of traditional dumbbells, this compact yet powerful set delivers exceptional performance while saving a massive amount of space. With an adjustable weight range from 5 to 50 pounds per hand, users can easily tailor resistance to match their fitness level, whether performing light toning exercises or heavy compound lifts. The standout feature is POWERBLOCK's Quick Adjust system, which uses a secure magnetic polypropylene pin to change weights in seconds. This allows for smooth transitions between exercises, keeping workouts efficient and uninterrupted. The clearly marked weight increments eliminate confusion and ensure precise resistance selection every time. Despite its compact dimensions, the dumbbell feels solid and well-balanced in hand, thanks to its durable steel construction and padded handle that enhances comfort and grip. Number 3. NordicTrack Dumbbell. The NordicTrack Select-A-Weight Dumbbell set offers a smart and user-friendly approach to strength training, making it a strong option for home fitness enthusiasts. Designed with a smooth weight selector system, these adjustable dumbbells allow users to change resistance in precise 2.5, 5, or 10-pound increments, ensuring optimal control for every exercise. Each dumbbell includes a solid 10-pound handlebar that can be used independently for lighter workouts, adding versatility for beginners or rehabilitation training. With 15 different weight combinations per dumbbell, this set effectively replaces 30 individual dumbbells, saving both money and storage space. The included custom-molded storage trays keep the dumbbells organized and secure when not in use, while the clear weight markings make it easy to track progress and select the correct load. Built from a durable blend of steel and hardened plastic, the construction feels sturdy and reliable during workouts, even under heavier loads. The balanced weight distribution enhances exercise control, reducing strain and improving form. NordicTrack's thoughtful design makes transitioning between exercises smooth and efficient, helping users maintain workout intensity. This set is especially well-suited for full-body training routines, from upper body toning to lower body strength exercises. Number 4. Keppi 60 Lbs Dumbbell. The Keppi 60 Lbs Dumbbell is a modern and innovative strength training solution designed for users who value speed, safety, and compact design. With its 5 dumbbells in one concept, this set delivers multiple weight options while occupying the space of a single dumbbell, making it perfect for home gyms with limited room. One of its most impressive features is the 1-second weight adjustment system, which allows users to change resistance from 5 to 25 pounds simply by turning the handle with one hand. This rapid adjustment dramatically improves workout efficiency, especially during circuit or interval training. The advanced safety weight dial system uses 8 locking grooves to secure the plates firmly in place, ensuring stability and minimizing noise during movement. Crafted from high-quality silicone steel, the weight plates feel solid and durable, while the aluminum alloy handle provides an ergonomic anti-slip grip for enhanced control. The clicking feedback during weight adjustment adds reassurance that the selected weight is properly locked. Number 5. QIPAKA Grip Dumbbell. The QIPAKA Grip Dumbbell set is a thoughtfully designed adjustable weight system that emphasizes safety, convenience, and efficient use of space. Featuring a 10-in-1 adjustable design, this set offers weight increments from 2.5 to 25 pounds, allowing for gradual progression and precise resistance control. This makes it ideal for beginners, intermediate users, and anyone focused on steady strength improvement. The compact, space-efficient design eliminates the clutter of multiple dumbbell sets, making it an excellent choice for home gyms or apartments. One of the standout features is the dual safety locking system, which ensures weight adjustments can only be made when the dumbbell is securely placed on its PP tray. Once lifted, the plates automatically lock in place, significantly reducing the risk of accidents during workouts. The one-hand rapid adjustment mechanism allows users to switch weights in just 1 second, keeping workouts smooth and time-efficient. The clear dial display makes selecting the correct weight quick and intuitive, even during fast-paced training sessions. The grip is designed for comfort and stability, helping users maintain proper form throughout their exercises. That wraps up our picks, designed to deliver real performance, durability, and value. Each option stands out for quality and practical benefits. Choose what fits your goals, budget, and routine, and move forward with confidence, knowing you've selected reliable gear that supports consistent results over time without unnecessary compromises overall.